Hello everyone, I'm Amanda and welcome back to another video. Today I have decided to harvest all of these onions. The main reason why is because we are getting rain the whole week this week, and number two, I have seen that some of these onions are starting to be attacked by cutworms. So it's better for me to just harvest them now rather than have all of them being eaten by cutworms, because that way I won't be able to store them long term. With the rain coming this whole week, I didn't want to risk having the onions rot in the ground because they are already dry. I was waiting for the heads to flop and then harvest them. Also, I saw 2 onions that had started to bolt, so I figured it was the right time for me to just take everything out of the ground. I will store them in a cool area where I'll just let them dry and let them cure, and then I'll be able to store them long term. Some of them, because they are not quite ready, I will have to use quickly. I won't be able to store long term, but I would like to have onions that I will store long term from this harvest. I hope you will enjoy this video. This is all the onion I got. I've got 71 onion bulbs in total, including the small ones. I separated them according to size. I consider this part small from here to that side, and this part medium. These are medium onions, and these are big, and yeah, these are big. They're quite big. This one has cutworm damage, and I figured let me just harvest everything before I lose most of these to cutworms, because my aim is to store some of them, cure them, and store some of them long term. But these ones, this one obviously, and the others that got a bit of a damage from the cutworm, I'm definitely gonna use first. And I saw two that were starting to bolt, so those ones also I won't be able to store for a long time. It rained almost the whole night, and also now in the morning you can see some of the onions are a bit wet. But what I'm going to do is just layer them down on the floor in my shack where I store like most of my gardening things. I'm just gonna layer them down on the floor for them to dry. If I had a choice, I would just leave them here, but we're still going to get more rain and there is no sun today. So if there was sun, at least I would just leave them here so that they get sun and they dry out a bit before I take them inside. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make sure that I open the door and the windows so that they get ventilated and they dry quickly. And also, if need be, I will open a fan. And I also had this one, I think this is a sprouting onion. Yeah, it was in the seedling mix, so I guess the seed just popped in there by mistake. And I also have an onion that's not ready here, and these are the ones that are still growing, so I decided to leave these in the ground. Altogether I've got 71. I'm really happy about this year's harvest. I'm not sure how long these are going to last us, but they'll probably last us like 4 or 5 months if they cure properly. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you again on another one, and please don't forget to click that subscribe button if you have not subscribed yet. And also, if you liked this video, please click that like button. Cheers for now.